Unveiling the riches of Luangdilat language and culture. You're invited to the grand launch of Luangdilat Khuang, the comprehensive Luangdilat pocket dictionary comprising of 7,000 words on 1st April 2025. Join us at Zaluki, Nagaland, Haflong, Assam, Imphal, Manipur, and major metro cities across India including New Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, Shillong, and Guwahati. The Luangdilat culture is a treasure trove of traditions, customs, and values that have been passed down through generations. Our language, music, dress, and art are all unique and integral parts of our cultural identity. The launch of Luangdilat Khuang is more than just a dictionary. It is a significant step towards preserving and promoting the Luangdilat language. We believe that the cultural heritage is an asset that should be preserved and cherished for the future generations. Therefore, we invite everyone to be a part of this journey. See you all on 1st April 2025, and don't forget to grab your book. Thank you. Kelu.